I'm coming in. Go for it, I'll get you on camera. Woo-hoo! That's awesome. Oh, we gotta do that again. Oh, it's sick.
Flashlight that's waterproof?
No. It's cooler in the dark.
But I figure you could GoPro at least a bit of it.
Oh, it's true. I could GoPro going into it. Hey, guess what, John? I'm filming at 1440. It's so high def.
Oh gosh.
I'm going in again.
Okay.
Alright.
I'm going in again.
Yeah.
Hey John, you should come with us. I know you're old, but...
I don't really like this stuff.
No?
Dang it.
Style?
Hey, you see this cave right here? Hey, let's go in there. Oh,
Dude, it's just as awesome as
some
that.
good old-fashioned spelunking.
You gotta go head first.
It's like being born.
It's the birth canal.
That's covered in gold. Hey, wait, Michael.
Oh yeah. Up.
Oh,
Little brew. Little brew. Oh, gracias. Mmm. Ah.
Kill it, that's all you.
She favors the forked tongue. Alright, yep. Just gotta hump the wall.
And get low.
Get low!
Isn't there a song about that?
I gotta pee.
I think there is.
Oh, you can go.
Oh, it's dark in here.
Jump right in.
Holy smokes. Let's look back. See the silhouette, if nothing.
Hey, thanks.
Hey, it's really dark.
Uh-huh.
Hey guys, it's dark.
Is it dark in there?
Hey, it's pretty dark.
Hey, if I touch you inappropriately, don't mind me.
Roger that.
Roger that.
Roger that.
Fuck that.
Roger that. Oh, it's so slimy. Oh, my head. I hit a rock. All right, here we are.
Go ahead first.
Head first this time, like you're birthing. Woo! Oh, yeah. Woo!
Just like the birth canal.
Just like it. Here we go. Come on, baby John.
It's triplets.
Baby John.
Where are you, baby?
Where are you, baby John?
You're gonna be the
There he is. Oh.
last born.
Oh.
It's okay. He's swimming for freedom.
Oh, yes. Rainbow jumps. Oh, yeah. Go throw up. Woo. Yeah. Ugh. That's pretty neat. Ugh.
Oh, one of my favorite places.
Oh, now I'm being rushed downstream. Woo. Ugh.
Hey, John, how's that rock?
Hey, make your pecs dance. Hey, oh yeah.